I've always been the kind of person who'd want to avoid winter as much as I could. But this January, for the first time in my life, my craving for an actual winter was bigger than my ancestral call to the tropics. I decided to come to Sweden in search of crispy air, nature covered in bright, soft snow, and relaxing time by a fire. I find it interesting how I can feel at home so much in a new place in circumstances that are new to me. But this is something I've noticed that happens to me often throughout my adult life. The world seemed to be agreeing. I found everything I longed for in Dalarna County during a snowstorm, and I never imagined to enjoy it as much as I did. The long evenings of January remind me that it's okay to slow down. They are a great time for me to check in with myself, to make plans and set goals for the new year, but also a great time for me to create new work in my goldsmith studio, when all the rush and noise of the outside world seem far away and my creative thoughts take center stage. Hand forging jewelry is a slow process that is full of repetition, and to me it's quite meditative. When I'm working, a funny process happens in my mind where I'm both full of thoughts and ideas and simultaneously slowing down while I'm concentrating on the fine tasks that are in front of me. I've always been intrigued by fire, but I've also always felt a sense of danger around it. Danger to hurt myself, danger to burn things that shouldn't be burnt, or danger to melt and destroy my work. Over the years, I've learned that it's best to stay calm and deal with potential problems when they arise. Parts can be remade, and a small melted bit doesn't mean that I have destroyed all of my work. Inspired by my new impressions, I found this gorgeous forest agate in my collection, with the iciest tone and a cool sparkle from the rose-cut finishing. I always feel like gems like this speak for themselves and really aren't in need of many extra details, but I decided to pair it with icy teal sapphires and fresh apatite to contrast the warm tone of the 14-karat gold.